So the website's designed in easy and hard modes. Basically, the easy mode's just getting the content under wrap. So you can use these flashcards. You can, if you click on these, actually under Study Stack, you can play game modes with them. So make sure you watch the videos before the teacher teaches it to you. It's basically trying to get those videos in your head. So there are various games, worksheets, flashcards, and quizzes to do. Once you're confident with that, you can go to the hard mode if you're getting ready for a test or you think you've mastered it, and you can go to these harder questions. So the exam prep questions is the hard mode, and the diagnostic test down the bottom as well. The quizzes, games, flashcards, worksheets, and videos are all to get you on the easy mode to get your content under wraps, and then when you're ready, you do the exam prep questions and the diagnostic. There are also specially made assessment pages for the exams and the student experiment, research, investigation, and data test. The exam page gives you access to the data test page, and you don't forget you can access Unit 1, Topic 1 for free. So most of the pages are more or less the same. Some parts have more or less in certain areas depending on what the content is about.